When it entered service in 1941, it was the most advanced fighter in the world. Faster than the Spitfire, its yaw rate was outstanding. I'm talking about the Focke Wulf Fw 190. It was a single-seat fighter and fighter-bomber aircraft, developed by the German aeronautical company Focke Wulf in the 1930s and used by the Luftwaffe during the Second World War. It underwent constant development and improvement which allowed it to remain competitive with the most modern Allied aircraft until the surrender of Germany in May 1945. It was generally considered by pilots to be superior to the other main German fighter, the Messerschmitt Bf 109. The Fw 190 had greater firepower than the Bf 109, and superior maneuverability. Skull pilots considered it one of the best fighter aircraft of World War II. It was initially equipped with the BMW 801 radial engine. With this engine it reached a maximum speed 656 km per hour at 19,658 feet altitude. But despite the high performance due to its poor reliability, many engines were changed, both radial and inline. Reliability was only achieved with the Junkers Jumo 213 liquid-cooled V12 engine. The Fw 190, designed as a rugged interceptor capable of withstanding substantial combat damage, and providing a stable gun platform mount, was considered ideal for anti-bomber operations. However, the high wing loading of the German fighter was the cause of one of its shortcomings, the tendency to stall without warning, resulting in capsizing and spinning. In dozens of versions, 13,367 of the Fw 190 were built as an interceptor and 6,634 as a fighter bomber, and it distinguished itself on all fronts.